Here's a quick video on probably the most important thing in this unit is trying to find a percent of a number. And before I even get into this, I want you to understand what we're doing almost every single time is we're taking that percent, changing it to a decimal, and multiplying. If I asked you what is 50% of 60? 50%, we have that idea already. We know that it's half. 50% is like, oh, half the way because it's 50 out of 100. That's half. So 50% of 60, we know is 30. Well, go on your calculator and go 0.50 and times it by 60. You will get 30. What if I asked you, what's 25% of 60? Well, I know that 25% is half of 50. So if 50% is 30, half of that would be 15. Okay? If I took my calculator and I went 0.25 times 60, I would get 15. And what I'm trying to show you is sometimes you can multiply in your head and understand that, oh, 50% is a half. 25% is actually a quarter. And if you think of a clock, 60 minutes, what's quarter? It's 15. But my point being is the easiest way to find a percentage of a number is to change it to a decimal and to multiply. And so, here's what we do for this whole entire assignment. 6%, careful, it's not decimal 6, it's decimal 0.6, and you times by 24.77. I don't know, let's vote 2 or something. 0.06 times 24.77, and I get 1 decimal. And normally we're talking about money in this thing, so we're talking about money, so let's round to 2 digits. 49. It's 1 decimal. It's actually 1.4862. And again, if I'm rounding to 2 digits, look at that guy. Look behind to 6, so he goes up. The next one there is 14%. So I'm going to go 0.14 times 21.55. 0.14 times 21.55. And I get 3.017. Again, go to the second digit, look behind. So it's 3.02. Okay, what you're doing every single time is taking this percentage, changing it to a decimal, 0.02, and then multiplying by whatever number they're looking at, 34.4. So 0.02 times 34.4, and I get 0.688 if I want 2 decimal, because we're talking money, so 68 cents, but look behind, it's actually 69 cents. Okay, the key to this is understanding when I'm looking at 2%, what I'm basically trying to figure out is what's 2% of the $34.40. Every time what we're doing is when we get our answer, we just got a piece of what we started with. We only got 2% of that. In this one here, I started with $21.55. I got that. When I multiplied it, this $3.02 is actually 14% of that. Okay? Hopefully that helps you out when you're trying to find percentages of numbers.